Hello everyone. My name is Carmen Edilza Ortiz Sanchez and this is my reflection of the pedagogical practice guidelines. The agreement and the articles analyzed shows us the path we must follow or complement our training as teacher. They are guidelines that mark the same direction for all of us who are part of the university and are its representatives during internships until our work as teachers is finished. I think that the most important thing is to be aware that when we choose to be teachers, we are teachers in every sense of the word, and for all those who need to acquire our knowledge in the profession they are studying or in training as people of integrity who are part of a society that changes all the time. The change in the society affect us. Economic needs increases, technology advances, strategies change, everything is movement that does not stop. And as teachers, we must be attentive to all these innovations and change so that education is more creative and effective and allow students to show their full potential. Before ending my reflection, I would like to say that the professions as teachers at this time is very difficult since the students come with a lot of lack of primary education, the education that their parents must provide, who for different reasons are not present enough. Then we work of teachers increases too much. Greater communication between teachers and other members of the academic body is necessary to help generate other strategies that change these situations. Thanks.